Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to delete all data from Brave browser. So, in order for you to do this process, guys, first things first is open up the Brave browser into your computer. Now, once you are here, you will just simply select the three lights on the top right corner of the screen, and then here you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings down below. Here on the settings tab, you could just simply go for the privacy and security on the left side of the screen. And from here, you should be able to see here, delete browsing data. So click on this one. So pretty much in order for you to completely delete every data into your browser, you will just simply select the time range over here, select all time. And now you can just simply go for delete data. But if you want to go for everything, you could go for advanced over here at the middle, and you can just simply check everything over here. So all of the data will be on deleted, and select delete data in order for you to proceed with this process. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.